Hey guys, so today we are going to be making this creamy garlic shrimp sauce. This is dairy free and I have all my ingredients here with me. Most of the stuff that I have here are from Aldi. I do have a couple of items from Sprouts, like this organic vegan sauce. And then I also got this, I think at Smart and Final. This is a vegan butter. Some of the ingredients, I think the only ingredient that I'm missing was nutritional yeast, but I'm going to be replacing that with this, and I have such a hard time pronouncing this. I'm going to be making these shrimps, and these are no preservatives, no chemicals. These are just raw colossal shrimps that I got from Aldi, and I'm going to be cooking these in batches, and then I'm going to be making the sauce with butter. I'm also going to be using this coconut milk. I have some minced garlic here that I bought. I hate mincing garlic without a garlic mincer, so I went ahead and just picked that up. And then I have some parsley, some white wine vinegar, mushrooms, some salt, pepper. We're going to be cooking the shrimp in olive oil, and then we're going to be combining everything with this red lentil rotini pasta. So I'm hoping this is going to turn out amazing and delicious. My family loves shrimp, so I'm hoping that this sauce comes out just like the picture. So let's go ahead and get started.